Come on now!
Yes, President. Bond. You've reached James Bond.
Bond, we need you now! Bond, we need you now!
What's the problem? Is there a meteor? There's a meteor, isn't there?
Yeah.
It's hurtling towards Earth. Yeah. I can see it now. Okay. Got it, Chief. Which one's Earth? I think it's that one.
That one.
It's that one right there. See, Ecuador.
Yeah, I think that's it.
More like camera person. More like Ecuadoric.
Sorry. Anyway. Here's the video! It's coming to an end!